And now we have the nodes and links that we did before in our observable notebooks. And so let us go ahead and create and go ahead and select our SVG. And now what we can do is go ahead and use SVG. The D3 selection of SVG, and we're gonna kind of replace all of the previous selections we did. Ah, look at that. We're already getting our flowers being rendered. And we'll go and do that. And we're very close. We have everything rendered. And so there seems to be a few more things that we need to do just to get the simulation part working. So let's figure out what is going on here. Let's see if there's any errors now. Oh, yes. Our width is not defined. So let's go ahead and I'm going to scroll back up to the top. And I'm going to define our width. Let's say it is now drawing everything. And you can see that our SVG SVG, D3 select SVG, and set the width to the width variable. And actually, in this case, let's set our height to the window height also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and update that. The only other let's go ahead and do width divided by 2 and height divided by 2. And of course, we don't have the Awesome. So there we go. We have everything translated over. And it was mostly just tracking down the variables that we were missing. And in general, I like to organize everything as all of our constant variables first, some after the data is loaded in. And I guess a little bit of a note. And then also have all of these positions update. What we will want to do is listen to a window resize event, maybe somewhere outside of this movie loading block. And so maybe we will have something here that says window resize. And we would probably have another function that's actually, let me take that back. We probably would want to do the window resize within the movie's callback, because things in the block. So we'll probably have the window resize probably somewhere we can say, go ahead and recalculate the width and height, update the SVG attributes for that. And then we would want to go down to go ahead and update this force center, where we're setting the width and the everything will update its position. So that's how we would do it in this particular case. And really, depending on the chart or visualization you're trying to make, everything, it will all change around a little bit, but that's in general how you would think about making sure that your visualization is responsive. So yeah, that is how we translate everything into our index HTML.